Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Let's give this video a full watch. Sorry I haven't been posting lately. I don't know if you can tell, I'm still getting over my cold. Don't worry, it's not COVID. I did get tested. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I make my baked barbecue chicken wings. I'm going to show you guys everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I did start off with a bag of 3 pounds of wings. What we're going to do right now is remove them from the bag and clean them. Very important. Please remember to clean your chicken wings. You start off with apple cider vinegar, salt, water, let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. That gets all the nasty crud and sud off of your chicken. See all that stuff that's floating on top? We want to get rid of all of that. So about 20 minutes has passed. Now I'm just going to wash my chicken. And I mean really wash them. Make sure the water is so clean. The chicken is squeaky. Now after you are done washing your chicken wings, go ahead and pat dry them with a paper towel. And we are going to place those back in our bowl. And we're gonna get ready to season those bad boys. So with my gloves, I'm going to take my extra virgin olive oil and drizzle about 2 tablespoons of that on top. And then we're gonna go in about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now this is what's going to give it like the barbecue on the grill kind of flavor. We're going to go ahead with 1 teaspoon of this flavoring. And if you don't have this, you can go ahead and use liquid smoke. And then you're going to go ahead and add your Lari seasoned salt. Now we're just going to give that a good toss. Make sure every wing is fully coated with the flavor. Now to our baking pan, we are going to place our chicken wings inside. Fully seasoned and beautiful. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Let's give this video a thumbs up. Okay, make sure you do preheat your oven to 375. We're going to place the chicken inside for about 30 minutes and you can turn them during halfway. Now I'm just going to show you guys a quick jazz up to your barbecue sauce. I was going to make some from scratch, but I haven't been able to go to the store. So we're just going to take some Sweet Baby Ray's, some Worcestershire sauce, some raw honey, as well as half of a lemon, and we're just going to squeeze that inside. Go ahead and give that a good mix. Now this recipe is good for game day coming up, your Super Bowl party, or any party that you are having that is coming up, or you can use this for Sunday dinner. Give that a taste, adjust it to your liking. I did add more lemon juice and Worcestershire sauce. You guys let me know down in the comments below, what are your favorite wing recipes? What are some that you guys would like me to do on the channel? Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, so I did take the chicken out, and now I'm just basting it with our sauce. Now you're gonna make sure you're gonna do both sides of your chicken. Just coat both sides with the barbecue sauce. Sorry you guys, I'm trying not to sneeze on here or cough. I don't know. It's so hard. But you see that the reason why I did add the olive oil, it gives the chicken like a nice little crust, makes it a little crunchy but still very soft and tender and fall off the bone. As you can see, it's already starting to fall off the bone. So I did place those back in the oven for about 15 minutes. That way the barbecue sauce can get nice and coated on the chicken. This recipe is good for the air fryer as well. It is quicker, but I do love slow cooked meals. This is the final product. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. And hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.